Feeling like your player's movement in eFootball is either too sensitive or a bit too sluggish? In this video, I'll show you how to adjust it on Android and break down what each setting means so you can get smoother, more controlled gameplay. Let's jump right in. Open the eFootball app on your Android device. From the home screen, tap Extras, then select Game Settings. Now tap on Play Settings. Scroll until you find Movement Input Range. You'll see three options: Narrow, Very Sensitive Movement; Medium, Balanced Control; Wide, Less Sensitive. This setting controls how much you need to slide your finger to trigger movement. Select your preferred option, go into a match, and test how your players move. Use narrow if you like quick dribbling and fast reactions. Use wide if your players feel too jumpy or hard to control. Medium is best if you want balanced gameplay. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more eFootball tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.